This time, even as we vote, I'm asking my people, wherever you are, come out and exercise your rights to vote. When you vote, you select the person you want. But you're also making a choice against the person you don't want. Because you are saying, huyu simtaki, I want this other one. And it enables the one you want to actually get forward. Because that is what it's all about. It's about us exercising our democratic right, for us to be able to know we live in a democratic country, and that politics is not a matter of life and death. It is not a matter of winner takes it all. It's a matter of us sitting down and saying, this is the best way for our country. Maendeleo Chap will be fully involved in the elections of 2022. What we did was what is called a tactical withdrawal. Tunaangalia mbele. We moved back a few steps so that we could be able to run faster and jump over a bigger hurdle. Wakati mwingine ukitaka kuruka shimo na ni kubwa kama size ya gari ama size ya mlango, ukiwa hapa karibu na shimo huwezi ruka, lakini unarudi nyuma kidogo hatua kama 20, unakuja mbio kabisa, unafanya long jump. It's called a tactical withdrawal that gets you even further that you'll have gotten today. And that is what we did as Maendeleo Chapter, because we are convinced that the people of this country want change.